What's up, folks? Back at an airport, back on another trip. Headed to London. Alright, friends, I don't know how much I'll keep of this in the video, but just going through the airport terminal now. Just got dropped off, headed to the UK to meet up with two of my friends. One of them is Eddie, who I'll put in the top corner. You may remember from the New York video I did a few months ago, and also my friend Cole. And we're gonna be doing some sightseeing, some techno stuff, and a lot of other fun activities, so stay tuned. Alright, good morning. Made it to London finally after like a 7-hour flight. Super fucking tired, so sorry if I seem a little lethargic and didn't get any sleep per usual on the plane, but I got my train tickets headed to Paddington Station, like the teddy bear, which I think is kind of funny, to go downtown and then start to check out the city. Say, guys, I'm already loving it. Even though I was here a few months ago, completely forgot just about the difference in art, you know, difference in architecture, obviously in Manhattan, but just how well the muted colors flow together, the browns, the pastels, the peaches, all those things. Really appreciate that. And a nice contrast from the New York City skyscrapers for a bit, so very excited to be getting some B-roll shots of all that for you. Hey friends, I'm in Hyde Park. First little stop on the trip. You know, I've said I'm meeting up with you guys probably 5 times now, but I will be doing so in the next few minutes. Just gonna meet up in the middle of the park, probably get settled, put my major back down, and I have no idea, just as a little heads up, no idea what we were planning to do whatsoever with this trip, but I think that makes it more exciting, so here we go. Alright guys, I think I see them ahead of me. I'm gonna zoom in on them. There they are. Meet up time.
I'm already pissed.
Alright guys, connected with the lads across the pond.
Hey. Whoa!
Go time. Oh shit. Looks like this cop car is chasing a bicyclist in the park.
Oh yeah, no,
that's quite funny. He's kicking him off the bike. Crazy.
Wait.
Guys, there's another Visit New Jersey advertisement. That is so hilarious. What the hell? Checking out the Airbnb spot.
Very small.
And
It's kind of a mess.
Show the way. Okay, small and a mess. We'll work with it though.
Keys.
Maybe if... There we go.
Eddie likes to lock both the
No,
locks.
I PTSD. The last Airbnb I was in, I got locked out.
No, that's
Okay, it's nice and quaint.
I should probably clean this up.
Nice bathroom. It'll work though.
Where's the light?
Do a little room tour.
Not outside the room.
Got the couch bed.
Oh, yeah.
Got a little view there. Another bed here. It's just, and then that little bed there. Rocking it. Guys, so just checked out the Airbnb. Now we're headed to, don't know where we're going. Headed to Soho. I don't know, is it like a fashion district like NYC?
Kind of. It's more like cute streets.
Cute streets, so I'm gonna show you guys cute streets.
Very British.
Very British. Always like filming the foreign grocery stores just to see the difference. So I'm gonna get a few clips for you guys.
What do you have for breakfast?
I'm making some croissants.
You have some eggs.
What are you guys looking for in here?
I don't know. Maybe coffee. I get a Red Bull or something. Is drinking legal here? Can you drink on the street here?
So guys, this looks just like Lay's chips. We have the same logo, just Walker's the name. What do you think? Alright guys, so we popped into a famous chippery. This chip shop. Chippy, my bad, Chippy. That Eddie scoped out, called Poppies. See the menu there, my fingers swimming it up. But yeah, same food. Alright boys, what do we got here? Cole, you got cod?
Yeah, I got cod.
Eddie, cod. We got the halibut in vegetable oil because they got a nut allergy. Rip. Should be good though. Yes, we just finished the fish and chips. Now we're going to this place called the French House, which is no phones. So I'm gonna cut it here and let you know how it is. All right, so we just got out of the French bar.
Are you Frenchman?
And it's quite neat in there. You know, no phones, just chatting like the good old days.
With the lads. Pretty much all locals.
No, yeah, it was hype. It was really good. Nice beers. Alright guys, so right now we're headed to the National Gallery.
We're heading over to the National Gallery right now.
Gotta roast it. Yeah, we're gonna check out some art. Really culture ourselves. We're gonna meme it since Cole ruined my little tidbit here, but we're gonna run with it. Cole, anything you want to add about the National Gallery? All right, made it to Camden Station.
Let's orient ourselves.
We're gonna figure out what we're doing. I literally almost fell asleep on that train, guys. The jet lag is hitting me really bad, but we're gonna try to make it through and check out some of the shops here for all of you. So stay tuned. Cole's doing some shopping. I'm gonna follow you in, Cole. What are we looking for? Nothing particular. All right, let's see what we can find. We just stumbled upon a mini patio outside the thrift shop, which is back in there. It's kind of sick. We're getting Brooklyn vibes. Guys, I literally feel like I could fall asleep on the street right now.
Me too.
It is hitting. Yeah, Cole's hurting too. He flew in yesterday. But it's a little rough, so apologize if I sound a little.
So they got shop.
Check out all these vintage cameras, guys. This is sick. Really cool stuff. Guys, we got some coffee to get us through the next hour or so. We're gonna head back shortly to the Airbnb just to charge up some stuff and recharge our mental batteries as well. It's only been like 3 hours walking around, but really just exhausting with the jet lag. So we're gonna recharge, head back out, don't know what we're doing yet, and then get some dinner later tonight, some nice ramen, so stay tuned for that. So we just walked into the
Here, I'm gonna send some
Dials Market. Sorry, Cole. And I think we're eating in this place. Alright guys, so we're just walking around St. Peter's Cathedral. Just ignore me. And I literally just ran into someone that I studied with in undergrad and now lives here. So super random. Out of like how big of a city London is, you still just randomly run into people. Such a small world. Crazy.
I'm glad we're clear on that. You're okay with
Alright, hey everyone, just thought I'd do a voiceover of this part because I was out eating with my friend's family, so I didn't want to be rude and vlog the whole time here. But yeah, this place was super cool. So it's called the Ye Old Miter. I'm probably completely mispronouncing that, so please let me know in the comments. But the Ye Old Miter pub, and it's known to be the oldest pub in all of London, initially founded in 1546. And on the inside you'll actually see there's a plaque in there from that date, which is super crazy. Just to even think that that's older than America by a good margin. And then basically it was expanded in 1773, just before the revolution, and it's thought that famous figures such as Queen Elizabeth and maybe even Christopher Columbus have drank at this pub, as well as many other predominant figures. So definitely a really cool place to check out if you're ever in the Holborn district of London. Alright everyone, that's a wrap for today. I just took some more videos inside that old.
Hey guys, this is the
pub.
end of my vlog.
That was apparently the oldest pub in all of England, which is super cool. Founded in like 1546, so check those clips out, and I'll see you in the next one.